Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with a Bergdorf Goodman haul. Beauties, I have got some amazing luxury, I believe I got skincare and makeup that I've recently placed an order for because, dolls, they are having a huge gift card event. And I am so hooked on these gift card events where if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a gift card and then you can go back and shop and get things that you like for free. Like recently I got Chanel foundation for free at the Saks gift card event. So when I found out that Bergdorf's was having the similar type of gift card event, I could not wait to go and shop and get a gift card. So I will have everything for the gift card event linked down below because there is a promo code that you can use. Actually, I will put it right here on the screen somewhere. So much fun, so amazing, such a great way to save and to go ahead and go shopping again and get even more nice things for free. So let me show you what I got here. Now they also are having so many beauty gifts with purchase. So I actually did not buy that much stuff, but I got these two packages here filled to the gills with beauty gifts with purchases from Bergdorf's. So because I think I only, we'll go through it and see, but I'm pretty sure I had to order the La Mer, the lotion. I believe it's called a treatment lotion. We'll see when we get to it. It is just so amazing. So whenever there is an event, I like to kind of I was running out of my previous one, so I needed a new one. So I figured this is the perfect time where I can get it and get a gift card as well. So because anyway, you'll see the details. I'll put all the details down below, how much you have to spend and things like that to get the gift card. But here is the Bergdorf's box. Now this is my first time getting a box or a package from Bergdorf's. Not only are they having the gift card event for Bergdorf's, but they're having a beauty event where if you purchase I believe it's about $200 or $250 worth of beauty items, and that does include makeup, you get this clutch filled with makeup. So there is a lot going on here today, guys. Okay, this is what I purchased. Let me back it up. This is what I purchased here. I purchased the La Mer, the treatment lotion, because now this is probably my third bottle and I have seen such a huge difference in my skin since I started using this. So now I never want to be without it. But so I do make it last though. I don't put it into a cotton, I don't put it on tissue, I put it right on my hands because it's a liquid formulation, and I just pour a little bit in my hand, press it into my skin. I've also been putting it under my eyes, and I do feel like it plumps up under my eyes as well. It's amazing. So now it does last me a long time. I think, one bottle will last me probably a year, at least 6 months. So I was running out of my other one and I said, okay, this is the perfect time to get another one so I can take advantage and get the beauty gifts from Bergdorf's. So I did wind up getting the treatment lotion. And then you guys, here's something else that I ordered. So I wanted to try the Westman Atelier. This is the I Love You eye pencil, and I really just wanted to try a good eye pencil. So many eye pencils are just, they work, but are they phenomenal? So I really wanted a phenomenal eye pencil, and I figured what better, Westman Atelier is just such great makeup. So I figured this will probably, but I haven't tried it yet. So I'll be back. It does have beautiful packaging and we'll try this out together. I just used the eyeliner and it is unbelievable. Now I have very sensitive eyes, so a lot of things kind of hurt my eyes, irritate my eyes, pencils, and they will kind of just really be very uncomfortable on my eyes. But this is a dream. It applies so creamy, so smooth, so black, so intense, and is non-irritating whatsoever. And it also makes a beautiful wing. It's easy to smoke out. And then also I put it in my waterline and it did not irritate my eyes whatsoever. So I could not recommend this eyeliner more. But okay, this is the gift with purchase from Bergdorf's. I just can't believe this. This is my first time seeing it, feeling it, touching it with you, and it feels incredible. This actually feels like the most gorgeous, luxurious clutch. Oh my goodness, it has a heart for the pull string oh my gosh, wow, this feels very luxurious. So inside here, guys, is going to be all the makeup. Now I'm definitely going to use this as a clutch. This is absolutely gorgeous with your outfits, you know, how gorgeous. Look at this, beauties. The bag actually has BG for Bergdorf Goodman's embossed into the heart on the tag. So how beautiful is that? And then the other side is this little mirror. And I hope you can see just how beautiful and thick and luxurious the quality of this bag is. And this event is probably still going on, so please take advantage of it while you can, because this is amazing. So in here, oh my goodness, look at all of these. This is all free gift from purchase, you guys. Can you believe it? So here is the, I don't know what, Cerebum facial balm. Look how huge this is. You know, sample to try. Here is Astronomical Byredo Volume Mascara. Look how big. These are huge size samples. Here is, let's see here, what is this? Suwasu First Care. Oh, I love this. I was using this for a long time, for over a year. I just ran out. I had two very nice size bottles and I ran out, so I'm really happy to use this again. This is something that makes your skincare ingredients that you put on after even more effective. So I've missed it. It really did work. So then here is a Guerlain Youth Oil. Can't wait to try this. I haven't tried it. Well, I did try the Sawasu. I haven't tried the Youth Oil. Have you guys tried that? Let me know down below. And then here is, this is a Sublime Gold Conditioner. Cannot wait to try that. And here is Chris Collins African Rubios. I'm not sure what this is. Wow. Oh, Parfum. So let's see. Oh, this is beautifully packaged. So you just slide it. Beautiful. Wow, you could definitely keep this in your purse. This is a huge perfume sample. These are actually, I don't even know if you would consider these samples. Wow. So, oh, this smells incredible. Wow. Oh, this smells so luxurious. It smells so clean, so fresh. Wow, this is a beautiful scent. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this, you know, even try more scents from this Chris Collins. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells so luxurious, absolutely stunning. So that's a good one. That's a great sample. And then here, let's see, is a card that they sent. Enjoy your exclusive cosmetics bag, sustainably crafted from recycled metal paper and eco-foil. It feels incredible, you guys. To maintain your cosmetic bag, wipe it with a damp cloth. This feels like a Dolce & Gabbana. Very, very high quality. And what is this? Oh, this is another makeup bag. So this is like a clutch and this is a makeup bag. So you're actually getting two bags. And it also has the heart detailing on the pull string. Wow, this is so amazing. And then here is Augustus Bader Retinol Serum. I gotta try this because, you know, you see everybody raving about Augustus Bader. And I don't know if I have gotten a true, you know, sample. I've gotten very small samples and so I wasn't able to really get a good assessment. So hopefully this looks bigger. And this does look like a larger size sample. Yeah, it is, because I think the other sample I had was maybe half of that. So I would love it to work. You know, I'm a skincare addict, so give me all the skincare. And then here is Low Earth. Oh, another perfume. I would, you know, I'll try it because I can't resist. This actually, oh my goodness, you guys, I just bought a roller ball like this in Malibu, Fred Siegel, and it was so much money. So and it was about $100. So this is the same. This is actually double the size of the one that I bought. It's a roller ball. Wow. You know, it smells like, let me see, it smells incredible. It's very similar to the Chris Collins scent. This is more feminine. This I would buy in a heartbeat. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. This one is called Earth, I believe. Oh, I would definitely buy this. Oh, it's so light and beautiful and a little sweet, and I personally love sweet scents. The Chris Collins scent, the first scent that I just put on here, is more, it's a little more masculine, but not too, but definitely it does smell unisex. But this one smells more feminine. Oh, it smells, wow. Okay, another addiction. Add that to the addiction list. The low perfume. And then, oh, here is an Hourglass primer. Look how big that is. Wow, huge size sample. And here is the hair ritual from Sisley. This is a mask. Cannot wait to try that. There's so much in here, you guys. This is going to take forever. And then I got another box. 1111 Skin Celestial Eye Cream. Oh, I'm going to try that tonight. I'm addicted to eye creams, so I'm definitely going to try that tonight. I will see a difference with eye creams if they work, so because my eyes are very hooded and crepey and things like that. So if it's a good one, I'll notice and I'll let you guys know. We'll get back to you with that. Oh, here's another. Oh, this is the shampoo. Sublime Gold shampoo, and then they also sent the conditioner. I wish I just washed my hair because I would love to try that. I would love to try that right now, but I did just wash my hair. So then here is Louboutin lips to try, little sampler set. And here is this is a little soap from Clé de Peau. Cannot wait to try that. I love everything Clé de Peau. And then here is, let's see here. This is Time Response Amore Pacific. I've loved everything I've tried from Amore Pacific so far. Elizabeth Arden Advanced Night Repair. I used to wear this all the time. I can't wait to, I was thinking about getting it again because I used to wear it all the time and I saw a huge difference, and I just haven't used it in a while. But I was thinking about it the other day. I said I should pick that up again because I did notice a huge difference with that. Oh, here's another hair ritual from Sisley mask. And that's pretty much it, guys. One more thing, Barbara Sturm anti-aging face cream. Okay, this I'm using tonight as well, because how many Vogue videos do you see with everybody using Barbara Sturm? Barbara Sturm. I gotta try this tonight. And I don't think I've ever even had a sample from Barbara Sturm. So that is what came in the beauty bag. So you get that bag, the 2 bags actually, all of the beauty goodies inside when you spend, I believe it's $200 or $250 at Bergdorf Goodman's, and you'll get that gift. And there's actually even more in here. So these are more gifts too, you guys, because I don't remember exactly what else is in here, but let's see. So this is, let's find out. This is crazy. Okay, this is, oh, I needed some translucent setting powder. I ran out. I used all of the Milk Eclipse setting powder. Loved it, so, but I ran out, so I need to get a new setting powder. I figured I would just get this from Bergdorf. So this was actually, because the La Mer is about 200, and then this I wanted to get to, I believe you had to spend 250. So I got this to bring me up to 250. I have used this before. I'm pretty sure I loved it. You know, I really love the Eclipse, but again, they didn't have Milk makeup at Bergdorf's. Or I don't think they have Laura Mercier either. I would have got that one, but we'll see. I'm sure I'm gonna love that Hourglass one. And here, guys, is, let's see what this, I think this is the gift. This is the gift. Oh no, this is a lipstick. I think, let's find out. Okay, this is a lipstick set that I'm gonna be back and unbox with you beauties. This is a set of lipsticks from Estee Lauder, and so I really wanted to try this out. But I'm going to just unbox it today, and then I'll be back and, you know, I'll try them on with you beauties. Now, look at how cute this is. This lipstick set came with this beautiful little purse. Isn't it adorable? And pink, and then it has the beautiful ribbon on it for breast cancer awareness. You guys, make sure you always get checked if you see anything weird. If you feel anything weird, go to the doctor right away. And don't take no for an answer. If they tell you you're fine and you feel weird, you keep investigating, you keep asking, and you keep getting tests done, because oftentimes they don't catch it, and it's up to us to be, you know, to go ahead and keep pressing forward to get help. That's something that happened to me, guys, so I'll tell you guys about that another day. But yes, my life was saved thanks to early detection and all that good stuff. So here, guys, is the lipsticks. So here is the lipstick case. And then these are the 2 refills. So you're getting all of this, the lipsticks and the purse. So I think it was less than $40. So if you have a pink lover in your life, a lipstick lover, they might love this as a gift for the holidays. I know I love this little bag right here. Isn't it beautiful? You always see these bags online going for over $400. So this is another beautiful gift with purchase. Satin, feels very luxurious, very high quality. Doesn't feel like a gift with purchase. Feels like you spent at least $300 on this. So actually there is a little bit more. I thought, well, it's been a while, right guys? You guys are like, we've had enough. No, that's everything. Okay, so that's everything that I bought because I wanted to make sure that I spent at least $250 to get the that gift, that big gift bag, and all of the, you know, treasures inside. So anyway, beauties, I will have everything for the Bergdorf event linked down below, and hopefully you will see this video in time to get this. This is amazing, and stock up on things you need. You know, maybe if there's certain skincare that you love and need to use, it's a good time to pick it up so you can get the gift card and also get these beauty gifts that are so amazing. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know anything that, if you've tried any of these, let me know any of your favorites down below, anything you have your eye on. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.